Friends, myself, CA Rakesh Agrawal, I am from Pune and I am a faculty for the subject of cost and management accounting. And my today's discussion is for CA intermediate and CA final students. For CA intermediate and CA final students. And today's topic for our discussion is the new syllabus which is expected in the year 2023. You all must have got this news by now that institute is probably revising the syllabus and it is expected in the next year, that is in the year 2023. Now, I have been receiving a lot of queries from students, different variety of queries about this new syllabus, and students have some apprehensions in their mind. So, I thought of discussing it. So, let's begin with the discussion, my dear friends, about the new syllabus which is expected in 2023. So, dear student friends, there is a hot discussion going on among the CA students about the new syllabus which is expected to be launched by ICAI in the year 2023. In today's discussion, I am not going to guess which subjects will remain, which subjects will go, which will get clubbed, and what will be the exam pattern. This I am not going to discuss. So, I am not going to do the guesswork, my dear friends, that which subjects will stay and what will be the probable syllabus. Then naturally, you might be wondering, then what else I am going to discuss? If not this, then what else? What else I will tell you. I will discuss only the applicability of this new syllabus to you. How it will become applicable to you. Because students have a doubt in mind, if I register now, and if my attempt is in future, what will happen to me, whether I will have to appear under old syllabus or new syllabus. So, my discussion is about the applicability of whatever syllabus comes in. And this discussion is based on my past experience with ICAI. As you know, those who know me, I have been teaching from last 31 years now. So, I have spent quite a long time here in this industry. So, based on my past experience, because institute has revised the syllabus so many times earlier, not just this time, so many times. So, based on my past experience, that whenever institute changes the syllabus, what procedure they follow. So, based on that experience, I am going to do today's discussion. Please remember, based on my past experience. Now, let's assume that the new syllabus will be applicable from 1st July 2023. Please remember, I am assuming this. Don't treat it as the date. Actual date will be announced by the institute. I am assuming it only for explanation purpose. I repeat, this date, I don't know. This date I am assuming only to explain you the concept, right, or applicability. So, I am just assuming this date. That let us assume this syllabus becomes applicable from 1st July 2023. Then if you have registered yourself, either for CA Inter or CA Final before this date, before 1st July 2023, then the existing syllabus, actually the existing syllabus itself we call new syllabus, but anyway it will now become old. So, the existing syllabus that will become old syllabus, that syllabus will be applicable to you irrespective of your attempt. Irrespective of your attempt, if you are registered before that date, whichever date institute announces. In my assumption, I have kept that date as 1st July. So, if you are registered before 1st July, then old syllabus will be applicable to you irrespective of your attempt. I am repetitively saying this date I have assumed for explanation. Don't treat it as final. Final date will be announced by the institute. However, ICAI will provide you an option to convert yourself into new syllabus voluntarily if you wish to. It means if you are registered before that cutoff date, automatically old syllabus or existing syllabus will be applicable to you. But If you wish, if you find that new syllabus is better, right, more challenging, more suitable for you, then you may voluntarily convert yourself into new syllabus. That option will be provided by ICAI to you to convert yourself into new syllabus. Now, this will be one-time option and you cannot reverse it. It means once you switch over from old to new syllabus and then you say, no, I want to come back from new to old, then that is not possible. So, it is one-way traffic and only one-time option to convert. Choice is yours. See, if you are registered before this cutoff date, you can either continue with old syllabus or you can convert yourself into new syllabus. Choice goes to you. Now, if you are registered after that cutoff date, which we have assumed as 1st July 2023, if you are registered after this date, then new syllabus of inter or final, as per your registration, whether you are registered for inter or final, will be compulsorily applicable to you. It means if your registration date is after the cutoff date, then you don't have a choice. You don't have a choice, then compulsorily new syllabus will be applicable to you. A student of new syllabus will not be allowed to convert into old or existing syllabus. I have already told you, you don't have the choice to go back. Only old students will have the choice to choose either or, right? New syllabus is compulsory new syllabus. For example, let us assume that a student has registered himself for CA final in the year 2022. 22 means much before the introduction of new syllabus, and his first attempt is due in 2025. This question many students have asked, because CA final registration and first exam, there is a gap of 2.5 years. A CA final student gets registered if today, then the first exam comes after 2.5 years. So there's a gap. So these students have asked so many times the queries that, sir, by the time my exam becomes due, the new syllabus will be applicable. But please remember what will happen to you. Actually, I have already given you the answer. If you are registered now, that is before, naturally old syllabus will be applicable to you. So as this student is registered for CA final before 1st July, the existing syllabus, which will become old syllabus, will be applicable irrespective of attempt. So don't worry. Who are registering now will, at the time of registration, whatever was the syllabus, that is applicable to you. Now, ICAI will announce a date or attempt up to which the exam under old syllabus will be held. Now, this exam under old syllabus is held for only up to certain point of time. So, ICAI will announce that attempt, that this is the last attempt under old syllabus. If a student is unable to clear the exam under old syllabus because he was registered under old syllabus, till that attempt, the attempt which institute will announce, then he will be converted compulsorily into new syllabus. It means those who are registered under old syllabus, if they are unable to clear the exam under old syllabus up to a particular attempt, then compulsorily they'll have to convert into new syllabus. For example, I am giving the past example that the November 21 exam, which was held in the year 2021, was the last attempt under the old syllabus. And from May 2022 exam, all are compulsorily converted into new syllabus. Which new syllabus I am talking about now? New syllabus which is existing syllabus. This syllabus was introduced on 1st July 2017. This new syllabus which is existing today, this will now become, in future it will become old. The new syllabus which was introduced on 1st July 2017, for this exam, the last attempt was November 2021. So this much gap they had kept. Up to November 2021, they continued both the exams, old syllabus and new syllabus. And now from May 22, they have compulsorily converted everyone. This I am sharing the past data so that you can understand the way institute works. This is the past actual data. It means ICAI will provide sufficient time, but not unlimited time. They'll provide you sufficient time to clear the exam under old, that is existing syllabus, which was applicable to you at the time of registration. They'll give you sufficient time. You can check how much time they had given in the past, right? You can, from here you can guess when the syllabus was introduced and up to what time they had continued with the exam under old syllabus. It is possible that a student has passed. Now let us take one imaginary situation that a student has passed CA inter exam under existing or old syllabus. Why? Because he was registered for intermediate under old syllabus. So he passed the exam under old syllabus. However, when he registered himself for CA final, means by the time he cleared intermediate exam and reached to CA final, the new syllabus had become applicable to him. So it is possible. When you registered for intermediate, the existing syllabus was applicable, that is old. By the time you prepared and passed CA intermediate exam, some time will go, and after passing intermediate, you will register yourself for CA final. But when you registered yourself for CA final, by that time new syllabus became applicable. So automatically CA final, new syllabus will become applicable to you, though you had cleared intermediate under old, but CA final you will be eligible for new syllabus. This possibility is there. In such case, he will have to appear for CA final exam under new syllabus only, though he has cleared CA inter exam under old syllabus. This I am just discussing based on my past experience. Then institute's guideline will come whenever the institute introduces the syllabus. All detailed guidelines will come up. Now there are some students asking when to register either for intermediate or final. Should we register now because we are eligible, or should we wait for some time for new syllabus? This question had also come. So I am discussing the answer for that question. In my personal opinion, this is my personal view. In my personal opinion, you should register yourself for either CA inter or CA final as and when you become eligible. The moment you become eligible, do the registration. It means the moment you clear CA foundation, register for CA final, CA intermediate. And the moment you clear CA intermediate, register for CA final without waiting when the syllabus, new syllabus will come. This is my personal opinion, that don't wait. Why? See, there is no point in waiting for new syllabus and delay your career by some months. You don't know when the new syllabus will become applicable, so there will be a gap. So whenever you are eligible, just register and start your journey instead of waiting for new syllabus. It will be wastage of time in my opinion. Now today we don't know when the new syllabus will be launched. Today I had just assumed a date for explanation. We don't know when this will be launched and from which date it will become applicable. We don't know all this. So there is uncertainty. Moreover, the coaching for existing syllabus is available at present. If you want to join the coaching, either face-to-face batch or in video lectures, whatever, but that coaching is available for existing syllabus. And naturally, when the new syllabus gets introduced, faculty members will require some time to understand the new syllabus. We will have to also study the new syllabus. We will have to also purchase the modules. And then we can offer the coaching. So it's not that today institute announce the new syllabus and tomorrow the coaching will be available for new syllabus. It is not possible. We will have to also revise or prepare the notes and then conduct the batches. So there will be a gap between introduction of new syllabus and coaching being available for new syllabus. So your coaching will also get delayed, but for existing syllabus the coaching is already available. Now what are the advantages and disadvantages of registering immediately and waiting and registering after introduction of new syllabus? See, there is a gap between launching of new syllabus also and the first exam conducted under new syllabus. I repeat, there is a gap between introduction of new syllabus and first exam. Means what? For example, I am just going and taking the past data. For example, this today's existing syllabus was made applicable from 1st July 2017. This is the date when this new syllabus, which is today's existing syllabus, was introduced by the institute. But the first exam under this syllabus was conducted in May 2018. So syllabus was introduced on 1st July 17, first exam took place on May 2018. Now why I am explaining this to you? when you will get to know that what type of question papers are set and what is the level of difficulty. I have written that. See, after few exams under the new syllabus, you will understand the exam paper pattern and the level of difficulty. Once some 1 or 2 or 3 exams are conducted, then you will come to know what is the pattern, what is the level of difficulty and how the papers are set. However, for existing syllabus, the today's syllabus, existing syllabus, you have lot of past exam papers available to understand it. For existing syllabus, you have the past data to understand what type of pattern, exam pattern or exam paper is. But for new syllabus, it will take some time, so you'll have to wait further for few more months to understand what type of paper comes in. So you don't have that data. So again, there is uncertainty. Now, some students feel, this question had also come, some students feel that passing under old syllabus or new syllabus will make some difference on their job or on their career. This question had also come up. Sir, if I pass under old syllabus, will I get a job, or will I have to pass under new syllabus only? I don't believe all this, right? But this query had come. In my view, again, this is my personal view and views could be different. In my view, the employer will see your CA degree only. Even employer don't know what is the subject of CA syllabus. What are the subjects? So employer just want to see whether you are a chartered accountant or not. Finished. Under which syllabus? This is immaterial. And your success depends solely on your performance, my dear friends, and not on your degree or syllabus. Even after becoming CA, CA is only an entry qualification to get the job. But to become successful in the career, it's not your qualification or the syllabus, right? It is your performance which will decide your destination. So it is only and only performance, my dear friends. Degree is only helping you to gain entry. Forget about the syllabus. Even degree, I am saying, degree is only helpful in getting the first job. Now, to stay on that job and to progress further, it's only the performance which matters. So once you start your career, you'll have to continuously update yourself. It's not that you have studied new syllabus, so you don't have to study later on. In real life, whatever career you are in, you'll have to update continuously about the field in which you are working. Once you become CA, you'll have to update your knowledge continuously about the field in which you are. If you are in the insurance field, you have to update yourself about all laws, provisions and the way of working in insurance sector. If you are working in a banking industry, you'll have to understand the banking industry. If you are in the aviation industry, you'll have to understand about aviation industry. If you are in a manufacturing industry, cement manufacturing, you'll have to understand relating to cement manufacturing. So where is your syllabus left then? That's what I'm saying. Syllabus will have no impact on your career. In whichever field you are, you have to gain mastery of that field and you have to continuously update yourself about that field in which you are. And this is continuous updation because change is the only way of life today. So you'll have to keep updating your knowledge. Forget about that syllabus. Syllabus is only just for getting the degree. So the syllabus will have a very little or almost no impact on your career. That is what I want to say. New or old syllabus will hardly have any impact on your career, future career. Thank you, friends. This is the short video from my side, right? Thanks for your patient listening. I hope this video has helped you to some extent to avoid the confusion, and that was the purpose of this video. And do visit our website, my dear friends, for more information and updates. And okay, friends, thank you. And hope to see you as chartered accountants very soon, either under old or new syllabus, whatever it is, without worrying. Okay, bye-bye.